In this video, we work with different type of video effects and customize them. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. Now to add video effects, simply hit on this event effects icon. If you don't see this one, click on more, select edit visible button set and check this event effects. Or you just simply click on this video effects tab. Then under all, if I expand this, here you see a bunch of different video effects plugins are available. Let's say if you want to add noise in your video clip, then simply hit on this add noise plugin, and then under add noise, here you see a bunch of different presets. If I hover over the mouse any of these presets, then we can see the preview. Now let's add medium add noise. To add this one, simply select and drag it in your video footage. Then a video effects tab will come up. To increase or decrease the noise level, simply use this noise level slider. If I check this Gaussian noise, instantly in this preview window, here you can see the effect. This time I just undo this. Let's close this one and play the video.
And a Nokia 3210, then I am impressed. So yeah, we're gonna go through all of it and test all the features and show you everything and see what it's all about.
So we got this.
Awesome, right? To remove this effect, simply hit on this event effects icon and select add noise and click on this remove selected plugin icon. Alright. Now if you want to add simple black and white effect in your video clip, then select the black and white and drag it in your video footage. Also you can increase the value of black and white. This is the colorful and this is the complete black and white. Alright, this time I just remove this one. And another cool feature is you can easily add brightness and contrast in your video clip. To do this, select this brightness and contrast plugin and drag it in your video footage. And here you see three different sliders: brightness, contrast and contrast center. If I increase the slide value of brightness, here you see our video brightness is just increased. Also in the same way we can decrease the brightness as well. Let's add a little bit contrast and decrease the value of contrast center. Pretty cool, right? So this is the normal one and this is the after adding some brightness and contrast.
Spark. Here's one battery, which is pretty small, and you have also a micro SD port, which allows you to charge it on the
Now it looks very crispy and clear. And for this time, we don't remove this brightness and contrast plugin. Alright. Now let's add another one in the same video clip. Now let's say this time we add color balance. Now I just simply click and drag it in our video footage. And then by default it is selected type midtone. You can control your midtone using this slider. Makes sense, right? Also you can control highlight and shadow as well. Some presets are also available. Let's select red highlight or blue highlight. But for this particular example, blue highlight makes our video footage really cool. Now I just close this one. Let's use this crop tool. If you want to crop your video footage from the left, right or on the both sides, then crop tool will blow your mind. To crop your video footage, then simply select crop and drag it in your video footage. Now you can crop your video footage in x-axis, y-axis, and then you can also set location. Let's crop a little bit in x-axis And in the preview screen, simply click and set it in your preferred position. Alright, but for this time I just skip this. To remove this crop effect, simply select crop and select the remove selected plugin. Now this video footage just go back to normal. Let's say this time we add heat flame light flares. To add this one, I just simply click and drag it here, and here you see the preview. You can set it anywhere you want. Let's say we set it on the very left. Now if you want to change this light flare position, then you have to use keyframe. To use the keyframe, simply expand this hotspot position, and then here you see a clock icon which is called animate. Now I click on this, and here you see a little timeline. Now set my timeline indicator right here, and then change the position and set it on the very right of our video footage. Alright, now I close this one. Now let's see the preview.
Yesterday we received this, the DJI Spark.
Wow.
Look,
The smallest,
our light
cheapest,
flare is
and
just
maybe the
moving.
smartest drone from DJI ever. And today we're gonna do a full review on this and see if this thing can actually fly. I mean, look at the size.
Awesome, right? Also, you can change the blend effect of this light flare. Let's select the normal one. Also, you can customize hotspot, rays, and also other element of this light flare. This time I just remove this light flare effect. Now let's add TV damage. This time I just zoom my timeline a little bit more. Let's say we add this heat flame TV damage effect in the variant of our video clip. To do this, I just simply split it right here. That's because I want to add this TV damage effect in this little particular portion of the video. To do this, after splitting, simply click and drag it in this little portion. And then I just increase it a little bit, and I expand this ghosting and increase the number of ghost, separation, and fall off. Actually, you can customize this in variety of way. For this particular example, I just close this one. Now let's see how it looks.
And then Jedi back.
Awesome, right? Now, if you want to adjust hue, saturation, and luminance of your video clip, then simply add this HSL adjust plugin in your video footage. Now you can add hue, able to control the saturation and luminance. Now let's play this video a little
So
bit.
we got the Spark. Here's one battery, which is pretty small and super light. And all you need is either...
Just look, our video clip is now just completely changed. In this way, you can easily make your video clip more interesting by changing the value of HSL.
Here's one battery, which is pretty small and...
Some built-in presets are also available. But for this time, I just remove this HSL adjust plugin. Now, if you want to invert this video clip, then simply select invert and drag and drop it in your video footage. Also, you can control the blend amount using this blend amount slider.
It works. I am highly impressed.
Yeah. Let's show the first...
Haha, super cool, right? That's it for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will talk more about these video effects. Thank you so much for watching.